Let's now understand the signs of arthritis. Pain while performing day-to-day activities. While performing day-to-day activities, very commonly the body parts will move. And definitely when the joints, which are severely affected, adversely damaged, show movement, it elicits intolerable pain to the individuals. Limited range of motion of body parts. People who are affected by arthritis cannot move the body parts efficiently as the normal people would have done otherwise. Stiffness of bone joint. So stiffness of bone joint is a very common symptom of arthritis. Swelling of the bone joints. Because of this degeneration and breaking of different parts in the bone joints, swelling is also observed, and swelling is often accompanied by inflammation. Tenderness of knee region. The knee region is weak in the patients, and definitely a tender feeling is observed. Osteoporosis. This is one of the commonest diseases we have heard. It is a hereditary disease characterized by decreased bone mass and increased chances of fracture. So here we can observe the normal bone and the osteoporosis bones. In this case, the bones have become very weak, and even minor injuries can lead to serious fracture of some major important bone of the body. Decreased level of estrogen is a common cause of osteoporosis. Estrogen, as we all know, is an ovarian hormone. When the concentration of estrogen drops, at times it contributes to the disease osteoporosis. Gout is the accumulation of uric acid crystal in the region of joints, which result in painful movement. So here we can observe urate crystals, and definitely this is going to elicit serious pain to the body, and also the joint become moreover immovable for the victim. So here let's answer a question. We have to select the correct statement with respect to locomotion in human. Let's see. The accumulation of uric acid crystal in joint causes their inflammation. The vertebral column has 10 thoracic vertebrae. The joint between adjacent vertebrae is fibrous joint, and the decreased level of progesterone causes osteoporosis in old people. Yes, the answer is definitely option A. The accumulation of uric acid crystal in joint causes their inflammation. Let us now talk about the next disease of the muscular and skeletal system. The disease is referred to as SPRAIN. It indicates injury to a joint capsule, typically involving a stretching or tearing of tendon or ligaments. We know we have over 900 ligaments in our body. We have many tendons in us which help in attachment of different parts of the body. The ligaments and tendons are very important for us because they help in attachment of bone to bone and bone to muscle. So when there is a tearing at the ligament or at the tendon, definitely it inflicts serious pain, and it is referred to as sprain. Both tendons and ligaments have much poor regenerative power than the bone, and once stretched often remain weak. So this stretching of tendon or ligament more than its actual stretching potential that causes sprain can lead to a lifetime of suffering for the victim. Sprain is often considered a minor disorder but it may become chronic when there is a tearing in the muscle. Let's now talk about another most common disorder of muscle and skeletal system, that is definitely fracture. So here we can observe three different types of bone fracture, namely simple, namely comminuted fracture, and definitely the open fracture. So fracture is a break of a bone which occur rarely in children. The bones of children have a large quantity of organic matter and are therefore it's very flexible, and they are less likely to break unless the pressure that is being put become very, very serious. With advancing age, the mineral matter such as calcium and phosphate is deposited in the bones. It decreases the organic matter and it makes the bone hard and brittle, slowly increasing the chances of breaking. On the image you can see three different types of strategies to repair a broken bone. Here they have tried to repair bone of the thigh, that is the femur. So definitely old people are more liable to fracture of bones.